Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you 10 places that you are not supposed to keep your money so that you always get abundance, so that you do not attract bad luck into your money. So the first one is that you are not supposed to keep your money inside the Bible. Please, contrary to popular belief and then popular doings that people always do, they always keep their money inside the Bible. Please avoid that. The Bible is supposed to feed your soul and not for storing your wealth. So please kindly desist from keeping your money in the Bible, except that maybe you are going to use the money for offertory. That one you can offer it, or you can put it inside the Bible and then later use it for the offertory. Apart from that, avoid keeping your money inside the Bible, because that will block the free flow of divine messages and then delay your breakthroughs for you. So please kindly ensure that you avoid doing that. And then also, you are not supposed to keep your money inside your shoes or your socks or your slippers. You are not supposed to do that. If you do that, it means that you are stepping on your own wealth, and then this will invite hardship or financial struggle to you. So please, even if you are going to a place and then you are afraid that thieves will come for your money, it is better you keep it in an electronic form than keeping it inside your shoes or your socks, because it is not good. If you do that, you are stepping on your own wealth, and then it will invite financial struggle to you. And then also, you are not supposed to keep your money inside your underwear or your bra. Please, if you do that, it will pollute your money spiritually, and then it will tie your finances to shame, secrecy, setbacks, and then it will block your divine blessings. So please kindly ensure that you stop that. If you are a woman, do not do that. Do not keep the money inside your underwear or your bra. It is very, very, very bad. And then also, you are not supposed to keep your money under your mattress or your pillow. If you are always doing that, it means that you are sleeping on your own destiny. Then it is putting your wealth into spiritual silence. You will not get any growth, any movement. All the time, your finances will be stagnated. So please kindly ensure that you stop that. If you are fond of keeping your money under your pillow or your mattress, avoid that. And then also, if you are such that you always keep your money inside your bathroom or your toilet, kindly ensure that you stop that, because these places are spiritually low places. So if you keep your money there, your money will get drained spiritually. And then also, just like you see that water is always going down the drain, that is how your money will be going. You just get money and then you see that you do not even know what you use the money for. The money will just be disappearing from you. So please kindly ensure that you stop those things. And then also, do not keep your money inside a torn or dirty wallet or purse. If your purse is dirty or it is torn, kindly ensure that you throw it away. Do not be keeping money inside. If you keep your money inside, it means that you are not ready for more money. It will signal poverty into your life. So please kindly ensure that you always use new purse. If your purse gets too old, or the bag that you keep money, when it gets too old, kindly ensure that you throw that one away and then you get a new, a nice one. It will attract more money. It will tell money that you have prepared a very nice place for it. So more should come and then stay with you. So please kindly ensure that you always get new one. And then also, do not keep money inside your kitchen or your trash bin. Like maybe you are in the kitchen and then you just throw your money anywhere. Please do not do that. If you do that, it is going to destroy your money, because see that there is fire in the kitchen, and then that fire is going to waste and then destroy or consume your money spiritually, and then you see that your money will be burnt and scattered. Like something will happen and then all your finances will just live your life. You see that you will be having some money and then you don't even know how the money was spent, because you bent the money spiritually by keeping it inside the kitchen. And then also, never put your money inside a coffin of a dead person. like maybe your relative has died and then you give them the person money to go and buy water when they go to the spiritual world. Please, if you do that, it is going to bring you poverty. It is going to bring you death into your money. Like you'll see that your money will die spiritually, so your money will not grow again. You always be at where you are. So please kindly ensure that if you have ever done that before, you cleanse yourself. So please, for this one, if you want want to know how to cleanse, kindly comment cleanse under this particular video, and then I'll come and reply you. If you have ever done that before, or if you have done any of these things before and then it is making your finances to stagnate, kindly comment cleanse, and then I'll come and show you how you are going to do the direction to cleanse your finances so that you will be able to attract more money into your life. And then also, you are not supposed to keep money inside a stolen bag or a borrowed bag. Like maybe you go for somebody's bag or somebody's purse or somebody's item, like maybe somebody's envelope or anywhere the person keeps the money. You have also borrowed that person's item, or you just stole somebody's wallet and then you start keeping your money inside. No, please kindly ensure that you don't do that. And then even if you find the purse or the bag on the ground, like maybe you just get it from the market and then you start using it, please no. Kindly ensure that anywhere you are supposed to keep your money, it is something that belongs to you, and then you are the one who bought it before you start using them or you start keeping your money there. Because if you do that, if you keep your money inside somebody's bag or somebody's purse, it is going to attract curses, spiritual debt, and then sudden financial loss. All that you'll be doing, it will be going to that person. And then also, the last thing we can talk about is that you are not supposed to keep your money inside the ground, or you are not supposed to put your money on the floor. Like maybe you are doing something, you are busy, somebody gives you money and then you just put it on the floor, that when you finish what you are doing, you are going to take that money. And then also avoid putting your money in black plastic bag. The black will attract more negative energy. Please bring your money to light. When you keep your money in a black polythene bag or you put it in the ground, like maybe you dig part of the ground and then put the money there, it means that you have cut off your money from the light for it to attract more money. So please kindly ensure that anything that will make your money to be blocked from light, you desist from it. Do not put your money inside black polythene bags. It is very, very, very bad. Kindly ensure that you always put it inside these places that I'm coming to talk about. So please, let's look at some good places that you can keep your money. So the first one is that you are supposed to keep your money inside a clean or new wallet or purse, a nice one. That is where you are supposed to keep your money, or you can keep it inside your pocket. And then also, you can also get a bag and then you just write Psalms like Psalm 112, Psalm 23, or Psalm 1 verse 3 on a sheet of paper, and then you keep it with your money. That is how you are going to do it. So you just put that paper with your money, and then you see that it will attract more divine protection, and then also you get constant spiritual flow. More money will be coming to visit you. And then also you can also put it inside a money box or a wooden chest. Any money box that you have that is prepared with wood, you can keep it inside there. And then you are also going to add things like cloves or bay leaf or cinnamon to the money. And then you see that it will be attracting more and more money for you. And then also, if you are maybe going to use the money for offering, that one you can keep it inside the Bible for a short time and then go and give it. That one, it is going to attract divine energy for you, and then you get more blessings for the offertory that you give. But please, as I said, if the money is not for offering, do not put the money in the Bible. And then also you can put it inside a white cloth or an envelope with bay leaf and then cinnamon stick. So if you get an envelope, a white nice envelope. You just keep your money there, and then you add some cinnamon stick or bay leaf to it. It will protect your money and even attract more money. There are some people, they will give you evil money. So if you get these items, the bay leaf or the cinnamon, it is going to protect your money and also going to help you to attract more money. And then also, if you have a spiritual altar, you can just keep your money inside. So there are some people, they have spiritual altar and then they always pray over there so they can keep their money there. And then also you can create a prosperity jar and then you'll be putting your money inside. So you can activate some coin and then you put it inside your that particular prosperity jar. So please, I've made a video on how to activate a coin for that. So please kindly ensure that you click on the link in the comments to watch that particular video. So you activate a coin and then you put it inside that particular prosperity jar, and then you'll be keeping more money inside, and then more and more money will flow to you. So instead of adding that charred coin, you can also be adding small rice to it, or you can add salt and then herbs like basil leaves or mint leaves to it. And then you see that it will be attracting more and more money to you. And then also, if you are such that you are working like maybe a seamstress or something, and then you see that your tool, like that sewing machine, it has some drawer, small drawer, you can keep your money there, and then it will be attracting more money and more business to you. And then finally, you can also keep your money in a bank account and then you speak blessings over it. So if you have money in the bank, that is also very safe. But that one, you write your account number and your account name on a clean sheet of paper, and then you'll be speaking blessings and prosperity to it always. So every time you take that sheet of paper, that you write your account number. So the account number you can write with a red pen or a blue pen, but please do not use black pen. You write it and then all the time you pick it and then you speak positivity over the account. You say that money flows to me constantly. I never lack. All the time. That is what you'll be saying. And then when you do that, you see that it is very going to attract more money to you. So these are some of the things that you can do to get more money. So please, thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, we shall talk about so many things that will help you. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, and then you also comment your location for us to know each other. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.